Hello, in this video I'll show you how to fix Netflix household problem. Now it's a very easy fix. So firstly what you have to do is you have to go to your phone's settings. After that just simply go to the apps setting. So click on apps, then go to manage settings, and now right over here just simply search for Netflix, then open Netflix. Now right over here the first thing that you have to do is you have to clear the cache file. So click on clear data and then just simply choose clear cache. Once done, go to the storage section and clear the data from over here as well. So remember, the moment you clear the storage data, any movie or series that you have downloaded on the Netflix application will also be deleted. So just simply keep that in mind. Once done, simply click on force stop if the application is still running, and after that just simply restart your device, and after that the issue should be fixed. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.